We're here at a game reserve that I'm not going to name to protect the animals involved. It's just about sunset and we're busy preparing our meal in camp, and we have this view to look out to this evening. Isn't that awesome? There's our camp, busy washing dishes and preparing food. I'll show you the area now. There's our fireplace. So there's this awesome area with a fence, a portion around it, and on this side it's open for the view. There's this portion under roof. We're using it as a cooking area now, and a seating area, and last night we slept there just under the roof, and we're going to sleep there again tonight. The toilet area is way away from the camp area. That's the toilet up ahead and the shower back there. And yeah, when you're sitting on the toilet, you've got a little bit of a view. Isn't that awesome? The sun has gone down now, and we're just about to eat. The food is warm, and we had a great day today. We saw rhinos this afternoon and yesterday, and we saw gemsbok and kudu and wildebeest and hartebeest and giraffe. So yes, it's been a great day in this park. Really enjoyed it.